YouTube, what's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out the Westerly, a fairly new apartment building located just 3 blocks from the iconic DC Wharf. If you don't know, the Wharf is one of the hottest spots in the city, packed with restaurants, luxury hotels, and a whole marina full of boats. It's one of DC's top destinations, and this neighborhood is only getting better. Now, whether you're looking for a new place to live or you just need some apartment core inspiration, you are in the right spot. I'm giving you an inside look at my furnished unit, plus some of the insane amenities this building has to offer. So let's not waste any more time and start with what you actually here for, the unit. So, as we step inside, this is what we're working with. It's a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment. And one of my favorite things about this apartment is truly how open it is and the balcony. And I had to get the decor right. Everything in here is made to feel modern, cozy, and functional. Now, moving on to the kitchen, fully equipped with all Samsung appliances. I really appreciate that because the Samsung appliances are smart devices where you can connect your phone and start your oven while you're heading home or something. Over here, you got the living area, super comfortable, great for chilling or hosting. You have the bar area, which I truly don't use that much. It's mostly for decoration. All of my plants are fake plants because for some reason I keep killing plants. I can't keep them alive for nothing. Now I really appreciate my modular chairs. I got them for a decent price on Amazon, and all the decoration are either from Amazon or Home Goods. Now one thing I really love about my living room is the projector. I am a huge projector fan, and I highly suggest anybody who is spending $600 or $700 on a TV to just go get a projector. It's easier to move, it's less expensive, and it gives you a bigger image. Now, what I really spent a good amount of time on and put a lot of effort into is my balcony. I laid the hardwood and put the grass down, and I honestly enjoy projects like this. I think at some point in the future, maybe later down the line, I might just start doing some like exterior or interior decoration or something, because completing this project was extremely fun to do, and I even put up videos on my Instagram of me doing it. But what I love the most about the balcony is the view of the U.S. Capitol and the Washington Monument. It's a pretty dope scene. And here's the bedroom. Clean, simple, and exactly the vibe I wanted. Now, I will say it's a little tight in here with the desk. However, it all works out. Ultimately, I appreciate the bedroom just because of the windows. I refuse to stay in an apartment that does not have windows in the bedroom. I have to have it. Now, I definitely cannot complain about the closet size. It's a huge upgrade from my last apartment. You can go check out that tour video, also posted now. However, the closet is pretty decent. One of my pet peeves is that now I'm not connected to the bathroom. However, ultimately the bathroom is a pretty decent spot with a stand-up shower and a vanity type mirror. So, it really has all you need to start your day. Alright, so now that's the unit. Now let's go check out what the rest of the building has to offer. In here, you just have a lounge area. It's pretty decent. It's a lot of space. There's private rooms that you could just come sit in and do work or watch TV on. And then you have your computer lounge as well. Now let me take you to the gym. Now, let me tell you, this is not an average apartment gym. You got everything from cardio machines to weightlifting equipment, and what I really love is the boxing gloves and the boxing bag. Look, I don't visit the gym as often as I probably should, but this building definitely has you covered when it comes to gym amenity. Now the courtyard is just an open outside area where you could bring your friends, roast marshmallows on the fire, and once it gets dark, these lights cut on and it makes a pretty decent scene. And then last but not least, the Penthouse Lounge. Penthouse Lounge is extremely dope. The views are nice, the pool is nice, and the building hosts a ton of community events to keep everyone in the building engaged. So living here so far has been really fun, and one night they even did a casino as well as a live performance upstairs. Alright y'all, so that pretty much wraps up the tour. Hopefully you got a feel for what living at the Westerly is like. Whether you're apartment hunting or you're just here for decor inspo, let me know what you think in the comments. Would you live here? If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you don't miss out on more city living and travel content. I appreciate y'all for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.